Hello and welcome to Cadillac Live. My name is Kristen, your live agent here to take you through the 2023 Cadillac CT4 Sport Sedan. The CT4 is available in 5 models: Luxury, Premium Luxury, Sport, the High Performance CT4V, and the Ultra High Performance CT4V Blackwing. The advanced aerodynamic form is designed and engineered for optimized rear-wheel drive weight distribution. In the studio with me is the CT4 Sport trim, shown in black raven, with a performance-styled front fascia with a black mesh grille, gloss black rocker moldings, spoiler, and exterior accents. The 18-inch alloy wheels with satin graphite finish are paired with low-profile tires and available Brembo V Performance front brakes to complete the sporty look. You'll see the signature Cadillac vertical lighting in the LED headlamps. LED front cornering lamps shed light onto corners as you turn. Inside the spacious cabin, you'll find leather seating surfaces shown here in jet black, with available heated and ventilated front seats, with lumbar massage and 18-way power front seats including performance bolsters for customized comfort. The leather-wrapped thick rim steering wheel's alloy paddle shifters provide dynamic driver engagement for shifting. And the available Bose 14-speaker premium surround sound system allows you to immerse in audio luxury. The Cadillac CT4 can accommodate 5, and a split folding rear seat offers additional cargo space. And for technology, you'll stay informed with the available 12-inch diagonal high-definition instrument cluster with customizable configurations. The Cadillac user experience offers a variety of convenience and personalization options to use through the 8-inch diagonal HD color touchscreen and rotary controller. Take advantage of wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility to access messages, music, maps, and more from your compatible iPhone. The CT4 also comes with wireless Android Auto compatibility, wireless charging, and in-vehicle apps such as available Amazon Alexa built-in. When it comes to performance, the fun-to-drive CT4 offers a smooth, powerful ride. The 2-liter twin-scroll turbocharged engine with 8-speed automatic transmission comes standard. For more power, choose the available 2.7-liter turbocharged engine, which is available on the Premium Luxury and standard on the CT4V model. Paired with a 10-speed transmission, you'll experience greater horsepower and torque with seamless shifts and graceful movement. Or opt for the most powerful Cadillac in its class with the CT4V Blackwing, featuring a standard 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine with 472 horsepower, 445 pound-foot of torque, and 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. The CT4 also features available all-wheel drive. A driver mode selector helps you choose what suits your driving environment with modes for Tour, Sport, Snow, and Ice, while My Mode offers customizable options. These modes adjust settings for steering, transmission, engine sound, and brake pedal feel. In the V-Series models, V-Mode and Track modes are also available to customize additional performance settings. And for safety and security, the Cadillac Smart System is standard on CT4. This suite of safety and driver assistance features includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and more. The CT4 also includes additional safety features like lane change alert with side blind zone alert and lane keep assist with lane departure warning. To learn more about the CT4, schedule an appointment with our Cadillac Live experts who can answer your questions and give you a personal video tour. Thank you for taking a look at the 2023 CT4.